The AQUANAV is designed to be used inside water mains for locating and pinpointing leaks to within 2 feet. The AQUANAV transmitter is enclosed in a buoyant carrier and is introduced into the water supply through a hydrant. The AQUANAV works by a transmitter free-flowing through the pipe, not tethered, emitting a signal, which is followed at walking pace using a handheld receiver, directly above ground at a depth up to 16 feet. The transmitter is drawn to the leak and stops at the leak, indicating the precise location. The AQUANAV transmitter is retrieved from a hydrant further downstream. Our products will save time, water loss, excavations and reduce the carbon footprint, which will in turn produce significant cost savings.